Hey everyone, today we're diving into a detailed camera comparison between the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We'll be looking at ultra-wide, 4x telephoto, and both daylight and low-light photos and videos. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a 4K 60 frames per second video comparison. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with three 48 megapixel cameras on the back, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a 48 megapixel main and ultra-wide camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto. You can see the details of the 17 Pro Max look much better, with colors that are sharper and more vibrant. Here's the ultra-wide video at 4K 60 frames per second. As you can see, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers more natural colors and enhanced detail. Now, let's switch to the 4x telephoto lens. This is a great way to see how the zoom quality has improved. Here's a stabilization test. The iPhone 17 Pro Max shows significantly smoother footage. Moving on to low-light video. Notice how much better the iPhone 17 Pro Max handles noise and detail. take a look at some daylight and low light photos. The iPhone 17 Pro Max really stands out with its improved clarity. That's it for today's comparison. Hopefully this helps you decide which one to go for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.